Hey guys, it's Sandi. Welcome back to CutePolish. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, Juli will be sharing 3 super cute minimalist designs to celebrate. These minimalist designs are all simple and easy to create, so let's get started.
Hey, it's Juli. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Before we begin, I'll be using a peel-off base coat so that I can just peel off one manicure and move on to the next without wasting a bunch of nail polish remover and cotton balls. But if you're doing this at home, go ahead and start with your favorite base coat. First up, we have this sweet and simple heart manicure. For the base color, I'll be using a light baby pink polish and applying 2 coats of that to all of my nails and letting it dry. Next, I'll be using a hot pink polish and a medium-sized dotting tool to create the small hearts. To do the hearts, add 2 dots side by side on your nail. Make sure the dots are just barely touching but not overlapping. Then, using a detail brush, paint a small V shape to connect the dots and fill it in. Again, make 2 dots, then a V, and fill it in. Super easy, and don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always sharpen up the edges later with a little bit of the base color. Once the design dried, I finished with a matte top coat to give it a soft effect, and that's it. Next, we have a minimal cutout heart design. First, I'll be applying a layer of glitter polish to the nail I'm doing the cutout design on, then while that was drying, I'm going to go ahead and paint my other nails with 2 coats of red polish. I'm using red for a traditional Valentine's Day look, but you can of course use any color you'd like. To do the cutout design, paint the outline of the heart on your nail. I like to make 2 dots for the points of the heart to help guide me on the placement. Then fill in the outside of the heart with polish, and you might need to do a couple coats to get the background opaque. Finish with top coat and you're done. Simple and elegant. And lastly, we have a design that doesn't scream Valentine's Day, but is very elegant and chic. Start off with a metallic or glitter polish. I'm using a rose gold shade and applying 1 coat. Next, pick another color, preferably a cream polish, so that it contrasts better. Then apply the polish a little bit above the middle of your nail and push it up, but leave an edge of the metallic base color showing around the cuticle. I find that this technique is easiest to do with polishes that have a wide brush, but if you make a mistake, you can always touch it up with a little detail brush later. And I did do 2 coats of this dark red to get the color strong and opaque. Seal in the design with top coat and you're done. Super easy and extremely customizable. So there you have 3 easy and minimal Valentine's Day designs. Let us know which of these was your favorite in the comments below. And if you'd like to watch more helpful CutePolish videos, click on these boxes here, and you can click on the circle here to subscribe for a new video every week. If you'd like to check out my personal channel, you can click this circle here.